Hello, lovers of science and facts. Today, I'm going to tell you 21 mind-blowing facts that will make your brain explode. Stay with us until the end of this video. 1. There's no sound in space. Because in a vacuum, there are no molecules to carry vibrations. So if two astronauts shout without radios, they won't hear a thing. 2. The human brain generates electricity. It produces about 20 watts of energy, enough to power a small light bulb. Your brain is literally a natural generator. 3. Your body is more bacteria than human. There are more helpful bacteria in your body than human cells. You're basically a living ecosystem. 4. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks have existed for about 400 million years, while trees appeared only around 350 million years ago. 5. Your stomach rebuilds itself so it doesn't digest itself. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal, so it renews its lining every few days. 6. A honeybee dies after stinging. Its stinger gets stuck in mammal skin, and when it pulls away, part of its body tears off. 7. Humans and bananas share 50% of their DNA. Half your genes are identical to a banana's. You're scientifically half banana. 8. Sunlight takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. That means when you look at the sun, you're seeing the past. 9. Each foot has 26 bones. Together, that's 52. More than a quarter of all the bones in your body. 10. There's a diamond star out there! A star called Lucy has a core made entirely of diamond. 11. Your brain can be more active during sleep than when you're awake. It processes and rewrites memories in certain sleep stages. 12. The human body runs on electricity. All muscles and nerves use electrical signals. Without them, no movement is possible. 13. Babies are born without kneecaps. They start as cartilage and turn into bone after a few years. 14. The eye is part of the brain. The retina is actually an extension of the brain. Your brain is literally seeing the world. 15. Venus spins backwards. On Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. 16. Earth hosts about 8.7 million living species. More than half of them are still undiscovered. 17. There are live mites on everyone's face. Tiny creatures live in your eyebrows and eyelashes and come out at night. 18. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. It travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, but even light can't escape a black hole. 19. Butterflies taste with their feet. Their tongues are actually on their feet. 20. Every time you recall a memory, you change it. Your brain rewrites it with new details. Memories aren't perfectly accurate. 21. Humans can distinguish over 1 trillion different scents. The nose is one of the most complex identification tools in the world. 22. 80% of Earth's oceans are still unexplored. There might be creatures down there no human has ever seen. 23. At the center of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A, with a mass millions of times that of the Sun. 24. The human body contains about 5 liters of blood. The heart pumps it more than 100,000 times a day. 25. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight. They navigate using sound, a natural sonar. 26. The surface of the sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, but its core reaches up to 15 million degrees. 27. After death, some muscles can still contract, which can make the body move slightly for a few minutes. 28. The human brain has around 86 billion neurons. Each connects with thousands of others, forming a vast network of billions of links. 29. Parrots are smarter than young children. They can mimic human speech thanks to their muscular tongues. 30. It rains acid on Venus, and it's so hot there that lead would melt. 31. The Milky Way contains over 100 billion stars, and it's just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. 32. The human body replaces almost all its cells every 7 years, meaning you get a new body every few years. 33. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump, but they can recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of high intelligence. 34. Over 1 trillion bacteria live on your skin. They actually form part of your body's defense system. 35. Antarctica is the driest desert on Earth. Some parts haven't seen rain for millions of years. 36. A banana is actually a berry, but a strawberry isn't. 37. Cockroaches can live for several days without their heads because their brain is spread throughout their body. 38. Time slows down near a black hole. A few minutes for you could mean years passing on Earth. 39. Earth orbits the sun at 30 kilometers per second, but we don't feel it because we're moving with it. 40. An octopus has brains in its arms. Each arm can make decisions independently. 21. By subscribing to our channel, you take one step closer to science and amazing facts. Friends, we just started our channel. If you support us, it'll give us the energy to keep going strong.